think my neighbors think I'm insane or maybe having a stroke. The new bookshelf is from Ikea and it's called gersby. Here goes today's episode. How do you know I disappeared there? Internet. How do you do interwebs? So this is what's going to happen today. You see those things behind me? Those bookshelves? This is where I sit when I write. I think, because I've got so much books, that I should get higher bookshelves that goes all the way up to the ceiling. So I did that yesterday. It's one of them is there and the other one is out in the hallway. And I have to do it today. Well, I don't have to do it today, but I mean, you know, I bought them. I got to do it. So I got to move all those books. Move that bookshelf away. Put it somewhere. I haven't thought this through at all. Assemble the new one, put it back and sort of put the books back. Oh. The new bookshelf is from Ikea and it's called gersby. And I hope this will work. I sort of have a plan for where to put these, but je ne sais quoi, pas quoi. Okay, so here goes. I think I need to listen to some music. Yes, first. So these are all my books most of my books on fashion and on dance and costumes and stuff. And I've read like this many. I'm listening to postmodernjukebox and I'm doing a lot of dancing instead of moving books. I think my neighbors think I'm insane or maybe having a stroke. I don't care. Oh, I gotta do this.
Alltså jag känner en skitrolig människa som har en Instagram. Han heter Joakim Clifton Bergman. Han är världens mest underbara människa. Han lägger ut dagliga stories och han är fantastisk. Så snälla följ honom. Han är bäst.
Wasn't that sweet? That last clip was from one of my followers he's an actor. She's an actor? Who's an actor? That was from one of my followers. Who's an actor? And he likes my stories. I've been doing this. I've been dancing. Oh, that made me very happy. Sorry, he made me... I was very happy by that last comment. But I've been sort of mostly dancing. I don't know. I'm maybe getting senile or something. Getting into my second sort of childhood. I don't know. I'm dancing on my own in my living room instead of trying to fix this goddamn bookshelf. I lost my screwdriver now. No, found it. It's gonna be all right. So I've come this far. Now I have to turn it over and put the other shelves in. I just want to show you, so I'm not only dancing, I am, in fact, building things. I'm like Noah. Was he a carpenter? Was someone in the Bible who was a carpenter? I don't know. Look at that. I'm so excited. I don't know, 5 centimeters. If it was 5 centimeters tall, I just estimated, well, it's 180 centimeters, 180 centimeters about, and it was. So I'm glad I didn't buy a higher one, taller one, sorry. So how am I going to secure that shit to the wall? Okay, people, so it's up, and I even secured it to the wall, because you have to do that when there's books involved. God. Oh, I hope I like it. People, I give you 1. I'm all day working, and I've got 1. Well, I haven't started. I mean, it took 2 hours about, but... So I'm dead pleased with how it looks, because I really like that it's sort of almost up to the ceiling. J'aime ça très bien. I'm going to put in the other one there.